guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this eyeshadow look with the Catrice Instabae eyeshadow palette. It has been a while since I pulled out this palette, but I thought I would revisit it and create like the perfect classic eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. This is going to enhance your eyes, your eye shapes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start with my Essence eyeshadow primer, Prime Like a Boss. I've been using this the last few times that I do my eyeshadow, and I am loving the way it just keeps my eyeshadow on lasting and just blends the shadows so nicely. Feels really nice and smooth on the lid, so I'm going to apply that first. So I thought I'd revisit my Catrice Cosmetics Instabae eyeshadow palette today. It has been a bit, and I thought, let's create a look with this one today. So we have some nice neutrals in here, a cool tone, pinks and golds, foils, mattes, everything you need for an eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start off with my Mud Makeup 800S brush. This is a dome kind of fluffy brush, but a little bit more dense. And I'm going to go into Facetune, which is just a nice neutral beige taupe tone, and I'm going to place that up above my crease. With the fluffier brush, I'm getting a more blended out look instead of something a little bit more precise and streamlined. So I'm just kind of holding my brush vertically as well as patting it into place. You can see that it's blending out nicely along the brow bone. Now I'm going to take this smaller brush from Jaclyn Hill. It's a JH40. I've just been obsessed with this brush lately for precision with darker and colorful tones. So I'm going to go into Glam, which is a warmer matte brown tone right next to Facetune, and I'm going to take this shade tighter to the crease. So I'm not going in the crease, but I'm going tighter to it. Right, I'm just going to do the other side. It just adds a little bit more depth to the outer corner, just adding in this dark color. I really want to add more contrast to the eye, so I'm going to brighten on my lid and use this nice light creamy ivory color on the lid. And that I can pop up into the crease. And this is almost creating like a cut crease. With eyeshadow instead of the concealer. I'm gonna go again with Facetune and just blend out a little bit more on the brow bone. Now I'm going to take this pointed brush from my Beaky Blender Beauty brush set. I think that's what it is. And I'm going to go with Swipe Up, this cooler grayish tone. It is slightly foiled. And I'm going to go underneath the eye. I'm really loving using a cool tone underneath the eye and the warm tones on top. Now I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer and just a fluffy brush and blend that underneath the cool tone. I love the effect that gives. And then up on the brow, underneath the brow, I'm going to blend that in as well. So I added some liquid liner just to make that brightness pop even more contrast to the lash line. And now I'm going to put on mascara and show you the final look. All right, this is the final look. I'm obsessed with the way it turned out. I think it is perfect for deep set, maturing eyes, just the pop of the lightness on the lids and the contrast between the cooler tone underneath and the warmth on top just gives it a beautiful, sultry look. And yeah, just perfect classic eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.